It's real dynamism, wonderful chance, and the goal is in and kicked out by Neuer!
Pelé! What a save!
And he slaps Messi's header over the bar!
And then a great save!
And not it down, a wonderful save by Schmeichel!
That cross.
There's the cross, there's a brilliant save, that is world class! All the way through, oh what a save!
Nuamba! Oh, magnificent save by Van der Sar! And a great save by Jennings!
That is quite the most remarkable piece of goalkeeping I have ever seen.
Surely some VAR. He's made the save on the halfway line.